1.
These are the video instructions for assignment 2.4, top 10 schools. In this assignment, you're going to create a list of your top 10 schools, colleges, or universities using Google Spreadsheet. On direction number 1, it says to create a sheet for the assignment on the Google Classroom. So that's the first thing you would do. Once you have your sheet made, then you would create the Google Sheet above, or you could come up with your own list of 10 schools. So you could either copy the information I already have down, or you could come up with your own list. Once you have done that, it says on number 3 to resize columns A and B so that all the information fits. So again, you can just position your cursor between the two columns until you have the double arrowed line and double click, and it will automatically resize to fit all of the information. Direction 4 says to hyperlink the name of the school to a web page about that school. So I'm going to use the first school I have, University of Kansas. The first thing I need to do is find a web page about the University of Kansas. And I'm just going to click on the first link here. And once I have found the web page for the University of Kansas, the next thing I need to do is to copy the URL. So I'm going to go up here and click once in the web address bar and then hit Control-C to copy it. Go back to my list of schools. Then I need to highlight the cell that has the name of the school, which that's already highlighted. And then from the Insert menu, I'm going to go up here to Insert and click on Link. And then in the link box, I'm going to paste by hitting Control-V, paste the website. And then I click Apply. And then that will be it now hyperlinked to that web page. And I want to continue to do that for all 10 schools. I want to link them to a page about that school. So you can see I did that right there. The next thing I want to do in direction number 5 is I'm going to bold row 3. So I'm going to click on the number 3. That highlights the whole row. And then I'm going to click bold. Direction number 6 says to format the width of column A to 150 pixels by right-clicking on letter A. So I'm going to right-click there. From that menu, I'm going to choose Resize Column, and I'm going to resize it from 190 to 150. And then the next thing I want to do is I want to make sure that the text wrapping, apply a text wrap so that the data fits onto the whole row. So originally when you do this, it will be cut off like this. And so what I want to do is I want to click on the letter A to highlight that column, go up to the text wrapping icon on the toolbar and click on that. And I want to choose the middle option that says wrap. And there you can see it will move any information that would spill over into the other column down a row. So everything fits in that column. In direction 8, it says format cells B4 through B13 to be the font color red and italicized. So I'm going to highlight that range, click on the font color and change it to red. And then I also want to italicize it. In direction 9, it says to bold and increase the font size of cell A1 to 18. So I'm going to click on cell A1, click bold, and change the size to 18. And there you can see it's going to wrap that down to the next line. And to avoid that, I'm going to go ahead and merge cells A1 and B1, which is direction 10. So click on A1, drag to B1, and select merge. And that will put that all on one line. And then you want to proofread your work when you're done, and then show me before you turn it in so I can make sure it's done correctly. Again, if you have any questions or if you need any help, please let me know. But this is what your finished product should look like. Good luck.